welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, this is going to be the easiest install probably on my channel, you guys. So I'm really excited to be bringing you guys today's video. Today's video is sponsored by Gorgius. If you guys don't know, I have worked with them in the past, so they just sent me over this beautiful banged wig, and I'm so excited to show you guys the wig in today's video. Before we get into the video, do not forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button down below, and we're just gonna get right into the video. Like I said, you guys, this is going to be the easiest install ever. Like 1, 2, 3. When you do order from Gorgius, your package will come like so. You guys will receive the wig, of course, some goodies as well in the package. So I really like how a lot of hair companies send wig caps. A lot of times I do be needing wig caps, so I'm really happy they always provide me with a wig cap. Items in here, so they just sent me over an edge brush, bobby pins, an elastic or like band right here, and hair clips. So these are just really essential items when doing your hair. I'm really happy they sent those products over. And can we just talk about their packaging? Like, their packaging, y'all, is just the cutest thing ever. Now for the most important part of the video. So you guys can see, like, I didn't even do no ball cap. I didn't even put makeup on my cap, so you guys are gonna see why. Very simple install. Like, I'm so excited. It does come in a drawstring bag. So convenient. Like, I always use these bags storing my wigs a lot of times, so I like how they do send that. They're 10-inch highlighted curly bobbed wig. You guys can see there's no lace on this wig at all. I don't have to put no makeup on, none of that. So the inside of the wig does not have no lace. There's nothing. Like, you literally just put this wig on your head, pop this wig on your head straight out of the box. But I am gonna apply some water and some mousse to kind of define the curls a little bit. Definitely wear this straight out of the box, like 1, 2, 3 and go. Really love about this wig, like I just said, there's no glue. You don't have to use no spray, no lace on here. You don't have to bleach, no knots. You don't have to pluck it, nothing, you guys. Like, it is so easy. So if you guys are new to wigs or a beginner, I would definitely suggest this wig right here. It's just so convenient, and I just really love the highlights in this wig. Like, can we just take a minute, y'all? Like, look how pretty these highlights are. Like I just said, this is a 10-inch highlighted wig, and it does have bangs in the front. You guys will see once I put this on my head. It does have an elastic band just for extra security, which I do like, and it does have 2 clips on the side, clip in the back as well for extra security. And I always use the clips in the back just to make sure wig flying off my head or nothing like that. So I love how they provide me with that as well. Okay, y'all, so this is the wig straight out of the box, and like I said, you can definitely wear this like straight out of the box if this is your type of vibe. I really don't have to do too much to this wig, y'all. Like, it just looks so natural. Like, this looks like it could be my real hair, y'all. Tell me not. I'm gonna add some water and some mousse to kind of help me define the curls a little bit, but honestly, these curls are just, they're real popping as it is. I'm gonna add some water, just a little bit. I'm gonna add some of my curl enhancing smoothie. You guys know this is my favorite products to use on all my curly units. It just works so well with all my curly hair. So I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Cut my bangs just a little bit because they are a little long, so I'm not gonna do too much, just a little bit. I also want to mention how soft this hair feels. This hair feels so soft straight out of the box. Like, can we just, what wig you guys know you can put on straight out of the box? Like, what? Cutting a few pieces like here and there. I just wanted to shape my face a little bit, so I'm just gonna play around with it, see how I like it. I love big hair. This to be real fluffy. I love it, you guys. It is so cute. I don't think I've ever had a wig this easy to install, y'all. Like, to do like a cute little half up, half down. There's not much tracks that are like shown on this wig, so you don't have to worry about that, but just be mindful of not putting it too much up, because then you're gonna show tracks. So you guys have seen how easy it was to install this wig, and I am in love. I want all of these wigs, you guys. Like, this was so easy. I don't think I've ever had a wig this easy to install. Like, this is my hair at this point. Like, this is not even a wig. What wig? This is my hair. I love it so much. It was 1, 2, 3. I might honestly like these way more than headband wigs, because this is very good for your edges. You don't have to use any glue, no sprays. It's not heavy on your edges. It's very lightweight. It just feels so good. It feels actually very secure on my head as well. I was a little afraid on how it's gonna fit on my head, but it fits very well. It is big head friendly. It fits my head very secure. I have no complaints, you guys. Like, this wig, I love it. I love it so much, and it's just the colors for me. Wear this in the dry state, in the wet state. I have so many different colors, you guys, so many different textures. If you guys aren't a fan of this type of texture, they have so many different curl patterns on their website. I told y'all this is going to be a very easy 1, 2, 3 process. It did not take long at all. These are perfect for people who are on the go. You're always in a rush, always moving. This is the wig for you, definitely. I would rate this wig a 10 out of 10. The curls just feel so soft. They don't feel dry or brittle. What wig? This isn't even a wig at this point. This is my hair, like, at this point. That was everything for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to check my description box for all the information of this beautiful wig. This wig is a must-have, so definitely do not forget to check my description box. And I do have a coupon code, so my coupon code will be right here on the screen, so you guys can get a percentage off for your next order. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.
You're